I give you my heart.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use my espresso machine. First, I push it in the on position. First, I'm going to get out my tools, thermometer, tamp, espresso, shot glasses, steaming pitcher. Oh, don't beat up your machine like I do. Alright, first you wash your cup. Alright, first I take this. I have to check to make sure it's on. I've checked to make sure there's water and the ready light is on. Now, not all espresso machines have little ready lights, and not all of them have separate dials for this. Usually you steam and pour your shots at the same time. This one is separate. You pour your shots, then you turn it to dial to steam, then you steam. Always put our lid back on. Keep it fresh. And I just lightly tamp with this espresso machine. Normally you would want to press and turn. The turn polishes it, but with this espresso machine, you lightly press. That's why I always keep a rag by me, because I'm a very messy coffee maker. Alright, tamp away. Now, if there's grooves under here that these two fit in. You match them, and because this is a lightweight espresso machine, I have to hold it while I press it in. Alright. Shot glasses. This is where they come in. Pour my shot. To pour the shot, you will turn the dial over to the little coffee mug drip one. So, this one. And this is what we will be turning it to steam in a moment. Alright, now so far these are very good shots. Full bodied, very nice. Only dying a little bit. Alright, well that is a beautiful shot. Now I will turn this over to the wand now as my shots are dying. So I'm going to do just vanilla today. This is when I put my flavor. My shots are almost dead, as you can see. That's not good. You want to pour your shots immediately or directly into the cup. I just wanted to show you guys. And then this is where I would take this off and clean it, but since I'm making a video, I won't. But it's what it looks so far. My pitcher and my thermometer.
Milk.
And my milk. I fill this to 6 ounces because it's a small pitcher. I always do get all that water out. I stick it in. I make sure my thermometer is not touching the steam wand, or else it will give you a false reading and you'll have colder than you expect coffee. And I'm going to steam it to about 140, a little over that. I like a little extra hot. I aerated a little bit, but with these pitchers, they're so small you can't really aerate it too much. But you'll see how perfect it foams without aerating it like normal. Alright. Then I push that in quickly. Give it another steam. Take the thermometer off. This is where I would wash it right away. Tap and swirl my milk to groom the foam. And then I pour. I'm not going to do a fancy design because I was not prepared to do one. Swirly, swirly. It's okay.
Whipped cream time.
Other baristas, don't you judge me. I just didn't feel like it. Alright, and then whip. Also an ugly whip. That's okay. That's okay. And no. Cinnamon. And normally I would rinse all these items as I go, but for the video, voila. The perfect, wow. It's not very attractive, but it's gonna be a good cup of coffee, I tell you that. Look how nice. Ooh.
What y'all got going on there?
We're making a video about coffee.
I give you my heart.